Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Grubhub driver account, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Grubhub driver account, begin by opening the Grubhub for Drivers app on your device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, visit the Apple App Store or Google Play Store to install it. Once the app is open, tap on the option labeled Login or Sign In. Enter the email address and password you used during your initial registration. After filling in your credentials, tap the Sign In button. If your information is correct, you will be directed to your driver dashboard. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your email and password for accuracy. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Profile section of the app. Here, confirm that all your personal and vehicle information is accurate and up to date. Ensure your background check has been completed and approved. If you have not yet completed your background check, you will receive prompts to do so. Follow the prompts to submit any required documents for verification. After your background check is approved, return to the dashboard. Look for a notification indicating that your account is active. If you do not see this notification, ensure you have completed all necessary steps. To begin receiving orders, make sure your status is set to online in the app. You can find this option on your driver dashboard. Once online, you'll start receiving delivery requests in real time. To accept an order, simply tap on the request when it appears on your screen. Follow the in-app instructions to complete the delivery. With these steps, you should now be ready to start driving for Grubhub. Monitor your app regularly for new orders and updates as you work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.